Discover the amazing benefits of using eggshells in your garden. One of the best kept secrets in home gardening is using eggshells to enhance your plant's growth. Eggshells are packed with calcium carbonate, the main ingredient in agricultural lime, which plants need to build cell walls and transport nutrients. Instead of throwing away your eggshells, rinse them out and let them dry. Once dried, crush them into a fine powder using a blender or mortar and pestle. This powder can then be sprinkled directly into the soil or mixed with water to create a nutrient-rich eggshell tea for your plants. The slow-release calcium not only prevents blossom end rot in your plants, but also strengthens the overall structure of the plant, making it more resilient. Additionally, eggshells act as a natural deterrent for pests like slugs and snails, which dislike crawling over the sharp fragments. To maximize the benefits, incorporate eggshells into your compost pile as well. They decompose slowly, providing a long-term source of calcium. So, remember that those eggshells are more than just waste. They're a powerful ally in your gardening arsenal. Subscribe for more gardening tips and hacks.